Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what? Hey you guys, welcome back everyone to another amazing video. This one is a little different. It is a how-to. Yes, I know we're normally in the kitchen for a cook with me or bake with me. But today I'm going to show you guys how to clean a turkey. This is about a 10-pound, 20-pound turkey here. Because you know we are getting ready for the holiday season, Thanksgiving. So you want to make sure that you take out your turkey overnight. So today is Monday. You would want to take it out on Sunday. And leave it out for about 12 hours to thaw. As you guys can see, and also put it in cold water with some vinegar and salt. As you guys can see, all this fat and everything here. My hands is already washed. So what we're going to do is take all of this fat and put it in a bowl. We're going to run some cold water and take out the neck of the turkey and everything that's in here. Okay, so we're gonna let go of this water. Alright, and what I like to do is just try to peel off all of the excessive fat that's on the turkey. So I have a knife here, so I'm taking all these feathers off, as you guys can see. So you want to make sure that you get all the feathers off your meat, because this stuff is important. And also take out your chicken, the gizzards and stuff of the turkey. So this part of it I normally cut. I don't like that part of the turkey on there either, so I normally cut this part off. Okay, it's up to you, so that also has fat back here too. So you want to make sure that you get all of this fat off of your turkey. Okay? Alright, and let's go to the front. So you see all of this fat, guys? That's not good for you or whoever is going to be eating it. So you're going to make sure that you get all of this fat off before you start to season your meat. Okay, now you also want to check the other side of the wing. Make sure there's no fin, no feathers or anything. Alright. Okay, and just continue to check. So we're gonna do some more cold water. Alright. And what we're gonna do is run some more vinegar. Alright, and then turn it over. Okay, we're just going to put a little bit of salt inside the water, not on top of your meat, because you don't want your meat to be salty. Alright, and I use lime, not lemon guys, lime. Oh boy, lime. Okay, so you want to cut your lime in half. Cut your lime in half. And what you're going to do is squeeze the lime on top of your meat. Okay, so the purpose of the lime is that it takes away any type of bacteria that's on your meat. It takes that away and also cleanse the meat before you actually season it. You can also use apple cider vinegar too to clean it as well. So this is the purpose of the lime. Alright. So lime has antioxidants, so that cleans your meat, and you will start to see a nice smooth shine of your meat. Anytime you're making something big like this, guys, you need to properly clean it because you don't want to get food poisoning. Yeah, you need to properly clean it because, and especially if you're cooking for more than just you and other folks, yeah, you need to properly clean it. Yeah. So, properly clean it. Make sure that there's no fat, there's no yellow stuff, because you know some of the meats are coming out with all that yucky stuff. See all of this fat here, guys? So you want to try to get all that fat off. So even if you have to cut it, that's okay too. Yeah. So if you have to cut it off, cut it off. It's not healthy for you. Yeah. See? You take all that fat off. Because that's going to make your turkey gravy very greasy. You don't want grease in your turkey gravy. Okay? Alright. Once you have gotten and you're starting to look like a nice smooth texture, alright, you're gonna put this down, run some more water. Okay, let me get our other line. Okay, keep running the water. Alright. So you need 3 limes, guys. And lime is a little hard to squeeze, but it's okay. Just squeeze the lime. Alright. We're going to drain the water out now. As you guys can see how nice and pretty it looks now after you clean it. See how pretty it looks? Okay. Now we're going to run some water. This turkey's heavy, guys. Sorry. We're going to run some water just to inspect it again. Okay. Alright. So, you want to make sure that your water is very clean, that you can barely have, because what you want, you don't want too much of that white yucky stuff in your water or on your turkey. So now that that's done, and you're satisfied with the outcome, and you don't see too much of the yucky stuff, you can go ahead and put your turkey. Let's rinse out this pan on the side to get ready to season. So we're just gonna shake out this water. Okay. And we're gonna put our turkey over here. Alright guys, so that is how you clean a turkey. If you would like to know how to season and make a juicy turkey, I have an iCard up here where you can check out one of my recent videos of how to season and make a juicy turkey. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. Also check out my book that's available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble's, House of X Entertainment website. The link are in the description. Remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. Love you guys.
What's up, Twitter family? What's up, YouTube family? What's up?